To change the fuel gauge from the Holley connector on the back of the dash to the ECU to the Dominator, what you want to do is you want to click on the dash anywhere, come over here to menu, click customize, click OK, come down here, click one time on the fuel gauge. You'll see it listed there. Make sure the check mark is listed by the gauge that you want to customize, and then click customize. This will bring up this menu right here, and over here is where you click to see all of your inputs and outputs from your Dominator, and also the dash itself. I generally like to go to all channels. It lists every single thing that the dash can display, and basically you just find your fuel gauge that you have set up in your Dominator. I think it's probably going to be under inputs, and whatever you have it named as in your Dominator, it will take and list it right here. Such as this right here, I've got this on 93 fuel level. You select that, you do OK, and now it has switched to the Dominator input instead of the dash input. And also make sure that everything over here is listed correctly. Mine's not right here, it's PSI, but I don't have that visible. The range is 0 to 100% because that's what Holley displays underneath of the needle right here. If you have the value, I believe it's value display, it'll list 0 to 100% instead of quarter, half, 3/4. I just disable it. But anyway, that's the way you change the inputs. So let me change this back to local I/O, which is my dash connectors, and I'll change it back to this. OK, now it's changed back. You click OK, and it should be set up in your dash just like that. Come over here. I usually go up there to the top corner and click save, and now your Dominator should be the fuel level input on this gauge right here. If you want to change any other gauge, you could do the same thing. You go to menu, customize, OK. If you don't want fuel economy, make sure that it has got a check mark beside it, because if like this, it actually selected the speedometer. Make sure that you click fuel economy or whichever gauge is listed that you want to customize, and then you can come over here and select that, and whatever you want to display as a digital gauge in the list, you could do it. And that's all you got to do to take and change the software input. Hope this helps.